Did you know that 90% of freelancers fail to scale their businesses? That's a staggering statistic, especially when you consider the potential to leverage AI to automate and grow your freelance work. So what's holding you back? Today, we're diving into how to automate your freelance business with AI, unlocking time-saving strategies and revenue-boosting tools to help you earn more with less effort. Let's get into it. Running a freelance business means wearing a lot of hats: marketer, accountant, project manager, and more. But what if you could offload some of those tasks and focus on what you do best? Well, that's exactly what AI can help you do. From streamlining administrative work to improving client communication, there are powerful AI tools that can take your freelance operation to the next level. But how? First, let's talk about workflow automation. Freelancers often spend countless hours managing emails, scheduling meetings, and tracking project milestones. Enter AI-powered tools like Zapier and Trello's automation features. These platforms integrate with your existing tools, automating repetitive tasks such as sending follow-up emails, setting reminders, or even billing clients. Imagine how much time you could save by automating these administrative duties. You could focus on creative work or take on more clients. Now let's move to client management. One of the most time-consuming parts of freelancing is responding to client inquiries and staying on top of communication. AI-powered chatbots like those offered by ManyChat or Intercom can help you manage initial client interactions. They can even book consultations, collect important details about the project, and answer common questions without you lifting a finger. This not only improves your response time, but also ensures that you never miss an opportunity. But it doesn't stop there. If you're in a highly competitive market, staying on top of trends and understanding your clients' needs is crucial. AI can help you do this too. Tools like BuzzSumo or ChatGPT for research can quickly analyze vast amounts of data, telling you exactly what topics are trending in your industry. This can guide your content strategy, marketing campaigns, and even project pitches, making you a more informed, agile freelancer. Let's talk numbers for a second. According to a 2022 report from Deloitte, 60% of businesses already use AI in some capacity to boost efficiency. If big companies are leveraging AI to scale their operations, why shouldn't freelancers? By embracing AI, you can increase your output while maintaining the same level of quality and potentially boost your earnings. Take Amelia, a freelance graphic designer, for example. She started using an AI-powered project management tool to automate her scheduling, and within 6 months she was able to double her client load. She no longer spent hours chasing down emails or tracking deadlines manually. Her system ran itself. By leveraging AI, she could now focus on creative work that mattered to her clients, and her income grew as a result. So, how do you implement this into your business? Start small. Choose 1 or 2 areas of your workflow that consume a lot of your time and explore AI tools that could help. Test them out. You'll likely find that the initial time spent setting up automation will pay off tenfold in saved hours down the line. If you're looking to increase your revenue without burning out, AI is the key. You don't have to be a tech expert to take advantage of these tools. With just a few simple integrations, you can streamline your business processes, enhance your client service, and increase your capacity to take on more work. And the best part? You're not doing it alone. AI is there to do the heavy lifting. What's holding you back from implementing AI in your freelance business? Drop a comment below. I'd love to know what tasks you want to automate first. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Believe me, it's a game changer. This content is for educational purposes only. Mentioning any apps, products, or services is not an endorsement. Always consult a certified financial professional for personalized guidance. Want to learn more about how to scale your freelance business? Watch this next. Click the video on screen.